Hi, I'm Paige Chafin. I'm the owner and executive chef for Roman Gardens in St. Petersburg, Florida, and today we're going to talk about freezing blackberries. Freezing blackberries can be done in two different ways. It depends on what you're going to use them for when you're done. When you take them out of the freezer, you want them to be as close to fresh as possible. The two ways are, the best way is for dessert usage. If you take it out of the freezer for dessert usage, you would make a sugar and water mixture. You would melt the sugar very well on a high heat and then cool it off. You would then pour it over the blackberries in whatever container you choose to freeze it in. I don't recommend freezing them in plastic bags because of the amount of sugar and water that you're going to put in it to keep them fresh. The other way to freeze blackberries is this you definitely cannot use a Ziploc bag for, or any type of plastic bag. You would have to use a container with a snug, tight lid. You would put a damp paper towel on the very bottom of the container. Make sure your blackberries are very, very dry and don't have any water on them. And then you would put one layer of blackberries down and then a slightly damp paper towel. You don't want it wet at all, just slightly damp. It preserves the freshness. If you get it too wet, your blackberries are going to have ice crystals when you take them out of the freezer, and we don't want that. We want you to be happy with your blackberries. Now just remember, we've talked two ways to freeze blackberries, and they both work beautifully for whatever application you need. Once again, my name is Paige Chafin, and I'm at Roman Gardens in St. Pete. Have a great day.